Hi guys, welcome to Dressing Tammy. I'm Tammy and it is Monday. We are the week of Thanksgiving here in the States and I'm tired. I'm gonna just lay that right out. I'm tired. I am honestly going on fumes right now and I'm as sick of this dirndl as you guys are. I'm so sick of working on it. I love it, but I'm ready to move on. So let me just give you the update and we're gonna go from there. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen the little shirt. If I can zoom it, I don't even know if you can see it, but that's it. It's got my little slit here, the little poofy sleeves. It's designed to fit right under here, which it does. It's actually, for me drafting my own pattern, it's perfect. It absolutely is perfect. So this is the blouse. You've already seen the apron and the and little Doris's right here. You've already seen the apron and the skirt. I bought, as I mentioned before, I bought fabric to make a slip for underneath. I'm just gonna go ahead and make that its own individual thing, and then I'm gonna add some lace. I stopped at Joann's this afternoon and got this lace. I think it's very pretty. Plus it'll allow me to get me that hem that I want, but then I can lengthen it with the lace to get it where it should hit. But if I want to wear this dress later, this skirt later, then I'll have it hit me at a normal length, and then I'll use the lace to give me a dirndl length, if that makes any sense whatsoever. This is where I'm at. This has taken me, I think I have taken this in 3 times. So I let it out a 1/4 of an inch on all front seams and side seams to get it to fit with over the blouse to be comfortable for work. So right now I've got, it's wrong sides facing, but I've got the lining attached, and you can see how that matches. The lining is attached to the vest, and I'm gonna go ahead and sew this up. And I had to rewatch Bianca, her video on her recent vest video, and that is the Closet Historian, and I had to rewatch hers to figure out how she attached her shoulder seams. So I'm gonna do that. I almost had this done last night, but then I have to put a zipper in. That's the interfacing here. I have to put a zipper in, and I'm honestly not sure. I'm thinking I should do that before I start doing the lining. That way when I fold it right sides out, then all I have to do is press the lining fabric, and then just hand stitch that together. So that's where I am right now. So it's a Monday night. This has to be done by Thursday evening. I have to be at work at 4 o'clock on Thursday night for Black Friday, which we open at 5, and so I'm under the wire. So what I'm gonna say right now, I'm gonna give you kind of updates as we go this evening, and then I'll post a video for you guys on Tuesday to see how far we got. But I am not 100% sure, and I apologize, that I'm gonna be able to put a video up on Friday, okay? And that's only because of the nature of my job is I am in charge of all the graphics, and if there's anything that Black Friday is about, it's price points and graphics. So I'm gonna be extremely busy for the next, well, it started today, honestly. So for the next week, I'm gonna be extremely busy. Thankfully, I only have to work 2 jobs on Saturday, thank God. So that's going to alleviate some of my stress, but yeah, so that's where we are. So, all right, I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to go ahead and sew. And oh, by the way, I got my scarf on today. I am so in love. I got this scarf at my job for $2.49, and I absolutely adore it. I adore it, and I almost talked myself out of wearing it today, and I said, no, wear it. Wear it. I wanted to wear it like this, but I'm not there yet. I'm not there. I'm not there yet. Self-esteem wise, I'm not there yet to do it, but I mean, I love this scarf so much. I've purchased 2 more, and we'll get there. We'll get there. I just have to work it in slowly. And it all stems from, and we all have it. Everybody's got something that they love. 50s, 60s, 40s, 30s, 80s. I love the 80s, but I also love the 40s. And as we all know, the 80s stole from the 40s quite a bit. And so yeah, so we'll see. Plus it goes hand in hand with my Melvin Douglas marathon that I've had for the last weekend. So anyway, and I'll put a little clip right here.
For her too.
You're welcome. All right, see you in a minute. It's about 6:30. I think I've been working on this for a good 3 hours. I don't have the little trim that goes all up and down here yet. I don't have the right bra on, and I'm seriously thinking, modesty, because I don't like this, of putting a tiny little hook and eye here just to keep that closed, because I think it looks better than flopping open. Design feature. I've got it on with my skirt and my apron. And if I'm being honest, I don't like the apron now. I think it should just be straight and longer, because I think I'm gonna leave the skirt the way it is and just make a slip. I don't know. So, but this is it. I'm gonna try to do a slow spin, so you can kind of see. There's princess seaming right here, and then it just goes on up into the shoulders. My sleeve, I have, and again, I don't know what you're seeing, and this is where it ends, because again, it's not attached. It's just going to be snugged into the apron and the skirt. So, and then I've got my princess seams right here as well. Go around this way. There's the other one. So yes, and I have a zipper right here, and there's the lining in it. I don't have the actual lining hand sewn to the zipper flaps yet, which I have to get done because this stupid lining fabric is fraying like a freak, and if I wait much longer, I'm not going to have any left. So yeah, so this is it. Girl, I'm telling you, it's been a nice make, but boy, am I over it. Am I over it? I just want to get it done. I mean, essentially, I have made 2 tops, a skirt, and an apron. I've made 4 things, not knowing what the heck I'm doing, not using a pattern, just self-drafting, idea in my head, and I just made it. So I'm very proud of it, but I'm also very over it. So I just have to go ahead and do this. Again, this part right here, the trim, will probably be done tomorrow. You guys won't see that until I post the next video, so just kind of hang tight, and then it'll just be and honestly, maybe it'll just show up in December and it'll be my November makes where you can see the whole thing done. So how about that? Let's plan on that, because that ain't very far away, is it? So all right, that's it. And I gotta clean this craft room up, because there's crap everywhere on this floor. I have lost so many utensils, so many pencils, so many pens. I don't know where half my rulers are. I got a delivery coming from Amazon soon, probably Wednesday, I hope. So we'll see. I think I have, well, again, when I get my better bra on, I'll probably fill that out, because the ladies will be up. So, okay. Thank you guys so much for this, sticking with me on this little adventure. I know seeing the same outfit week after week is probably a little, yeah, nobody wants to see it anymore, okay? Just move on. So that's it. I am gonna go have some dinner now, watch another Melvin Douglas movie, because I am that obsessed, and I will see you guys when I see you. And honestly, it's probably going to be December. So for all of you in the States, happy Thanksgiving. Please don't eat too much, and that's it.